Look, man, people gonna try to stop your glory, stop your shine, man. Keep God first. I got people leaving me fake reviews on Google. I'm talking about people who never even been my customers. I got 2 fake reviews, but it's cool. You can't stop what's written. Like, you can't stop my grind. You can't stop my ambition. You can't stop me. You can't. Like, it's always people of my color want to put somebody down. It's crazy. But you can't stop me, man. At another daycare, another one. That's 3 on the books. 3. So, y'all keep focused. Y'all stay motivated. Don't give up. There's always gonna be some hurdles, but jump 'em. Keep going, man.